In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Google Calendar with ClickUp. By the end, you'll have your tasks visible alongside your events, so planning your day becomes a whole lot easier. First, open ClickUp and head to your home view from the left sidebar. Home is your central hub, so starting here keeps things simple and consistent no matter what workspace layout you use. Once you're on home, look to the top left of the screen and click your profile avatar. This opens your personal options and account controls, which is where integrations are managed. From that menu, choose Settings. The Settings area is where ClickUp keeps all of the configuration for your account and workspace, including app connections. Inside Settings, find and select Calendar. This section focuses on how your tasks interact with calendars, and it's the place you'll return to whenever you want to review or adjust this integration. Next, click Google Calendar. You'll see the option to connect, and that's exactly what we want to do now, so click Connect. At this point, you may see a Google prompt or a browser pop-up asking you to confirm which account you want to use and to grant permissions. That's normal for a secure integration. Review the permissions so you know what access is being requested, and proceed in your browser to complete the connection. If a pop-up doesn't appear, make sure your browser allows pop-ups for ClickUp, then try again. Once connected, ClickUp will begin syncing with Google Calendar. Initial syncs can take a few moments, especially if you have a lot of tasks. After that, updates typically happen quickly. Tasks with due dates, and especially those with specific times, are the most visible on a calendar, so if you're not seeing something appear, double-check the task in ClickUp to make sure it has the date and time details you expect. All-day tasks will appear as all-day entries, while time tasks block specific slots. A few helpful tips as you use the integration. Keep your task dates accurate to avoid calendar clutter, and consider using clear task names so they're recognizable at a glance in your calendar. If you ever need to pause the connection, revisit the same calendar area in settings to manage it. And if something looks off, a quick refresh of both ClickUp and Google Calendar often resolves display delays. That's it. Your ClickUp tasks and Google Calendar are now working together, helping you plan smarter and stay on schedule. Thanks for watching, and enjoy your streamlined workflow.